Hello, maurieo, AUTOCAD BASIC 6.2, Landscape. Hello, welcome. In this video, we're going to draw a house and a garage, as shown on the diagram in the course booklet. We're going to use line move, copy, scale and rotate commands, and use polar tracking and object snap tracking to help draw buildings precisely. So let's go and have a look, and we're going to open the file that we're going to be working on, which is called Landscape CM and Land CM. It's called landcm.drawing. So there we go. Oh, so all we've got there is a little bit of land. So set the object snaps endpoint and midpoint. I'm pretty sure we've got those all done, toggled on, and snap tracking and polar tracking as well. So let's that's the polar tracking and the snap tracking. Okay, alright, so that's everything turned on. We should be ready to go. Use the dimensions shown to draw the house. Okay, so we want to draw the house. Okay, so draw the house. A and B is draw a house. 5. Okay, so use the dimensions shown in Fig to draw the house. Use the object snap to establish point A. Okay, point A. All right. Okay, so point A is up here. So let's draw a line. Okay, we want to track from there and there. There it is, point A. Okay, now we've got a distance along here, a distance along there for point A, which is the front wing of the house. The distance along there is 6,000. So let's key that in, 6,000. Enter. Okay, so that's that there, and then we come up here 3,000. So these will likely be millimeters, so that would be 3 meters, and then another 6,000 here, 6,000 there like that, and then up here another 6,000 like so, and out over here, and this be the total distance of 12,000. 12. Enter. Yeah, and then let's push C for close and just check in the properties over here, and that should be 9,000. Yes, it is. Now let's draw in this. I'm going to draw this line from here to here. I think that's the easiest way to draw it. It should be a 45 or something, so 135. Yes. Okay, and then let's just draw this line in here, which will just go straight up to the midpoint and across to there. So there's our house all drawn up. Now let's just see how that refers to our plan, and then our garage. All right, the garage goes in there. Now draw, and it's blah blah blah. Oh, okay, to draw the garage, polar tracking and set the 30-degree angle. Okay, for the polar tracking. Okay, and we want to set the 30-degree angle. Was that instead of 30-degree angle? Or I could just do that there, I think. Okay. Use the line command with object snap trapping to position the first point 3 above 3000 above the corner there of the garage. So okay, so we just go line here and up there 3000. Oh no, I don't want to draw a line. Yeah, I want to go line. I could have drawn the line and then up there 3000. Okay, no, that's not what I want. Oh, I've drawn the line, so it's line, enter. Okay, specify the first point and then go up there 3000. So you could draw the line. Okay, now the garage, and the garage is at this 30-degree angle. I've set it, but have I angles, polar tracking? Yeah. Oh, that's 60, 35, 30's out there. Okay, and oh, that's so first above the thing, and then use polar tracking to draw the 6x6 garage at the angle shown. Yeah, it is 60 degrees. I thought it was 60 degrees. It looked like 60 degrees, and then that's 6,000. Okay, and then this one out here would be 6,000. The old 6x6 garage, pretty standard. 6,000. Enter, and then C, enter. Let's just check that. Oh yes, that's all good. And yeah, you can see if you add these two numbers together, it comes to 6, and that tells us that we've got it right. I'll just do a single thing here. So you can see here that that's 2 and 4 is 6, 1 and 5 is 6, so that tells us that it's 60 degrees, 60 and 3. Believe me, I'm a surveyor. It's an old surveying trick that we used to do and back in the day, just to add those all together, and that tells us the size of the angle between 0 and 90. So let's just draw another line in here for the ridge line of the house, and there we go. Now we've got to okay, place shrubs and trees in the yard as shown. Scale, rotate, copy, and move them as required. Okay, so yep, so now we've got to put the shrubs in the yard. So we've got this one here. Well, I think we could maybe move it. Move. So I'm going to put that one in there. That's where those go there, like that. I think that's a big one there. Okay, and then there's like a little one of those there. So that there, let's and we're going to copy that. Copy, and then right click, scale, 0.5. Oh no, that's not working. Okay, so let's go here, let's copy, and we'll just put that over here like that there. Now we're gonna scale it, right click, scale, and 0.5. Okay, and then we're going to rotate it. Now the way that it's rotated in there, it's just got that little one facing up there like that. 76, 86, maybe like that, 90, and then we'll just move it into position sort of there. Oh no, probably needs to come back a little tad. I mean, maybe put it at 60. Yeah, that looks better, more exact to what it is in there. So that's another way of just moving it, just typing it in the properties. Okay, yeah, so that's that shrub in there. Oh dear. Now what have we got here? We've got a scale in there of 2 enter, so we'll move that, let's put that in around about there, big tree there. Okay, so now we'll go copy, and right, we want a little one there and a big one just sort of there. Okay, and we want a big one there, slightly smaller one there, and there, another big one up there, and quite a large one down there. Okay, so let's make that one there. Okay, scale, let's make that 1.5. okay, and we'll grab that, and oh, it is going a little bit over the fence, that one, so just maybe about there. Okay, putting that in there. Okay, now this is a, oh, this one here, oh, it's more, looks like this one here actually. So we just go there, there, copy, and that's got to go around in here somewhere. Okay, so we've got that big one there. I'll just move these all out of the way a little bit, like that. Move them out of the way. Now this one here, we want this to be, ooh, baby, scale, base point 3, so that would, yeah, yeah, that's, let's rotate this a bit. Perhaps it needs to be mirrored. Okay, I'll just do MI for mirror. Okay. Okay, that sort of puts it a little bit more up in there like that. That there. Scale, we'll make that 0.5. Yeah, perhaps a little bit less. Scale 0.25. Okay. Escape. Scale. Base point 0.25. A bit too small, I think. I think this here, I'll try it like this. Like that, that in there. Put that there like that. Just go 2, enter. That might be better. So that gives us a, put that in there like that. I think that's how it looks. And it's got that big tree down there which needs to come a little bit closer. That there. And then that's that one there. Make it hot. Scale, I'm going to make that 0.6. No. Scale 0.6. Okay. And this one here. Scale 0.8. Okay, so that can come up in there like that. So by making the trees various, that can go there like that. That one there can sort of fit in there. A little bit of overlap maybe. And then this little one in front here. Like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's sort of putting the trees in there with a little bit of, oops, we've got one missing here. We've got one of these here. And that just goes in round about there, I think. Yep. Okay, that'll do. So we've got the shrubs and everything. Oh, I haven't got these ones here. That one there. Scale. There's many ways of doing scale. I'll make it 2. Well, that's too big. Scale 0.6. Okay, that can go there like that, and this here. SC for scale. Boom. 0.7. And we'll just move that into there like that. Okay, and that one there like that. Alrighty, so that's got that all sort of sorted out, sort of similar as best we can. Alright, so yeah, place the shrubs, copy them as required. Okay, all good. Escape, file, save as, yep, save, yep, let's replace it, and let's close the file, yep, and then that's it. So that one took a little bit of work to get those shrubs and that in there, but as you can say, you can sort of get a little bit in the zone and get a bit carried away with it all, but yeah, in the end you get there. There's many different ways of doing the different commands and that, so quite often it's just a matter of using the ones that you know rather than perhaps the ones that are most efficient. But always be on the lookout for new and improved ways of doing things. Cheers! See you!